Should you join architecture? If that's a confusion, this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Ishwari, practicing architect and a visiting faculty at an architecture college. In today's time, there are thousands of options to choose the right career, and it could be overwhelming for which one would be the right choice for you. In this video, we are discussing architecture and if that's the correct option for you. To start with, please do not choose architecture only because 1. You're not good at math, 2. You're not good at bio and hence you land up in architecture. Because both engineering and medical are out of your options. Don't let these subjects overtake your career. It could be that you have not researched enough about other fields or you haven't found your passion yet. Or lastly, do not choose architecture because your friend is doing, or dad is in construction, or uncle has a business. You will suffer. This is a life-changing moment for you. This could pave your career. So do some research and YouTube should be the go-to for you. Coming back to the question, should I join architecture? To begin with, first understand what is the role of an architect in building construction. Most of the students I counsel do not know the difference between architect, engineer, civil engineer, structural engineer, and their roles. Start from there. The next point is, solely because you're good at drawing, don't opt for it. Obviously, because you don't have to be an artist to be an architect. Architecture requires a creative bent, to be good at planning things or have an aesthetic approach, functionality, and a lot more. It's not only about drawing or painting. Of course, hobbies like drawing, sketching, painting, or art forms like dancing, singing, or simpler arts like rangoli, mehndi, knitting, pottery, photography help you build creativity. But do not solely depend on it to make this decision. Understand the lifestyle of an architect and if you are willing to do that. So to simplify, I thought let's just go through subjects you're going to learn throughout your architecture, which is a 5 years course. So the 5 years will be divided into 10 semesters, starting from first semester to 10th semester. The last 2 semesters, mostly depending on the states you are in India, will have internship, or the ones earlier to that will have internship. It depends from state to state. So to briefly run down with the subjects, as you enter architecture, you will start with basic design philosophies. You learn about different master architects. You will have graphics, construction, you will have structures. If you think math is not at all involved in architecture, it is. There is a subject called structures which will include math, and that specific subject starts from the first semester itself and is there throughout all the semesters. Then there is model making, building construction, building materials, contemporary architecture, history of architecture, estimation, and the most important subject is architectural design, which will be there for throughout all the semesters. You will start like architecture design 1, architecture design 2, and so on. So basically in this subject you will have to design for different clients. Hypothetically, obviously, like you start with in the first semester from a house for a painter or an architect or an artist. So you start from house and then you grow towards, housing and museums, restaurants. You will have campus design, then you will have stands, airports. In between all this, there'll be landscape design, there'll be interior design, there'll be product design, there'll be earthquake architecture, there'll be climate responsive architecture. All this will keep following throughout the semesters. And you end with the bachelor's architectural degree with the last 2 semesters or the last semester having internship. So this internship, you have to build your portfolio and you have to go to different offices and work there for 6 months or a year in different states. And at the end of the semester, you have to come back to the college and submit your report. With this, you will also have thesis. Thesis is the most important semester. Just like that, if you want to head to masters or any other course for that matter, your thesis will be reviewed. So the next most important thing you should know before joining architecture is there are no placements. There are no placements in architecture like the engineering colleges. Here you have to build your own portfolio and you have to submit it to different offices all over the country or wherever you like to. And with interviews, you have to clear the interviews and get in the office and work there. You're not going to get a placement or package like the engineering fields. Hope you've understood a little about architecture. Firstly, please research about what's a role of an architect in building any building. Okay? And the next thing is, if any of these subjects I mentioned earlier, if they interest you, then this is the field for you. Do a lot of research and then get down to this field, because this course is really intense. You will have a lot of work throughout all the semesters. You'll have a lot of fun as well. You will have different case studies and study tours and be exploring a lot of places for sure. But with that, you will also have to learn and give in and be creative to get into this field. It's not for everybody. It's not that you go to Pinterest and you open some random aesthetic picture and you show to your client and that is how you get through. That's not how it works. You have to create new things, new experiences, beautiful homes, beautiful spaces, and not just beautiful but functional spaces. So if you really love making spaces and this really excites you, then congratulations, this is your field. Now the next step is to register for NATA or JEE-BARCH. I know I'm quite late for JEE-BARCH 2025, but you can, whenever you're seeing this video, make sure you register for JEE-BARCH and NATA to get into any architecture colleges all over India. So we conduct NATA and JEE classes, online classes, and you can enroll to us anytime. You can get into the description box below. We have an Instagram account for now. It's a very personal one-to-one learning. I'm just looking at 25-30 really interested kids who want to get into architecture or any other field related to design. And you can DM me with the link in the bio on my Instagram and I will help you with anything you really need. Follow our Instagram account for more updates and I'll see you next time. Bye.